All right, let's get it, Essentials Math 3. We are in the new book. Everybody has tested. If you have not completed your 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7 quizzes with at least a 6 or better, you better go back and do it now. Right now. In class, we will be going over your tests, but please. So we are doing the next one. Make sure your first, last name, and your hour is on it. Multiplication and area. Dear student, area is the amount of two-dimensional stuff inside a shape. We use it to measure all kinds of things from land and acres, square miles, kilometers squared, etc., to basketball courts in square meters, square feet, etc., to pieces of paper in square inches, centimeters squared, etc. So this is a model of area. So 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 7 is 56. So 8 times 10 is here. 8 times 7 should be there. Add them together. That should be 13. Boom. We compare the area of any shape to a unit of area that we agree on, like this square. Then we can find the area of any two-dimensional shape by counting how many of those units fit inside. We can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying the number of rows times the number of columns. 2 rows times 4 columns has an area of 8 square units. In Unit 4, you will extend this idea to see how area can organize and simplify multiplication problems from large numbers like 52 times 18 and even multiplication of algebraic expressions. The authors. That's what's up. Love these books. All right, so the focus is important stuff when you're at home. When you guys come back, we'll do stuff together to kind of remind you of it and assist you with your quizzes. I cannot help you on additional problems. All right, so lesson 1, mystery grid puzzles. So first, before we learn math, let's just have fun. Let's kick it. Important stuff. In a Latin square, every row and every column contains one of each element in the title of the puzzle. Number 1, 1, 2, 3 Latin square. So there is a 1 for every row and for every column. So if 1's here, it can't be there. If 1's here, it can't be there. So 1 also can't be in that row, can't be in that row. So 1 has to be there. If this is 1 and 2, that has to be 3. If you have 1, this is 2, and that is 3. 1, 2, 3. As you work your way through it, look for shortcuts. So I always encourage you to do things before me. I'm going to do it. Feel free to pause it and look at it. 4, so this has to be 6. 4, 4, 6. That's 9, 7, 5, 7, 5. So what? So this can't be B, so that's how to be B. So that has to be C, that has to be A, that has to be B. Can't be A. Gotta be boom. So it says drawing a star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. So let's see. What? Get it? So this can't be a star, so it has to be there. This can't be a star, so it has to be there. Has to be a circle. Has to be a circle. What? Also, if you notice, boom. boom, boom. One diagonal is always the same. So get to skip around, do what you want. So I'm going to do my 3s. So if that's a Y, this has to be get them. That's a R, so that has to be a R. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oh, I almost thought I had it wrong, but I didn't. So this has to be a square because it can't be there. So that's a circle. That can't be a square. So that has to be a circle. And that's a triangle. That can't be a star. That can't be a square. This is a star, square, circle. So, star? Was that a star? No, it's star. Boom. Come on. A little bit. Can't be a G. Can't be a G. Gotta be G. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gotta be a G. E. So D, E, F, gotta be here. D, E, D, E, boom. And D, E, let's go. D, oh, let's go. D, E, F, boom. Oh, I got one more. Alright, so can't be a 4, gotta be a 4, gotta be a 2. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So that's gotta be a 4. 2, 2. Don't know. 3, 3, 3. Gotta be a 3. Gotta be a 3. 1. Let's go. Let's go. 1. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Alright. Let's get it. So, once you have this done, we're going to use this and these patterns to take advantage and figure out bigger puzzles. See, these are alternating. Sometimes they're solid, sometimes they're not. So like this one's solid. I had never figured out the key for that. Alright, let's get it, children. We'll be back with part 2 in just a second.